Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
They know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So the paper that we have the butter in, right? What you're gonna do, we're gonna cut that. So I'm showing you now how you do the baking tray. So you cut that. I have about 2, 4, 5. I have around 5 containers to bake in. So what you want to do, grab your grease paper or you grab your paper that the butter came in and you're just going to rub that. So instead of you getting oil to spray, you just use what you have. And that's what I normally do. Remember the channel's motto, nothing I waste, nothing I dash you, right? And we'll just rub the sides, rub the bottom. You can do this one of 2 ways. You can dust a little bit of flour in here and pat it around, or you can line this with grease paper. I'm going to show you how to line this with grease paper to get a more clean finish. This is how you do the grease paper. Are done it done? Oh
my god.
So you have a piece of grease paper, you fold that in half, and then you fold it in another half. So basically you're trying to get like a triangle from it, right? So you flip over your container, you bring the paper into the center of that container, and then you cut, right? And you're gonna have the perfect circle to now put inside your container. Right? Again, we're not wasting anything. Just trim off the edge, like so. So we'll just grab the remainder of what's left. So just put a few slits in here. And just trim that up so it's nice and neat. So you grab the slits here, you put them inside. And you put it around the edge. The butter will stick everything. Find the end that it is, overlap it a little bit, and you just and there you go, right? So you can do that method. Again, you grab a piece of that butter wrapping, rub it in. So you just grab a small amount of flour, you're gonna add it to your sieve. So you don't want to dump the flour in one spot, right? And then you just tap that around. So you lean it, tap it. And what this is doing, it's coating where the butter was. And then you can repeat that. So that's what we use these for if you don't have any extra oil or any extra butter to grease these containers. Knock the excess out. So you see how that looks nice, light, because you don't want too much flour to be caking up around here, right? Because when you bake the cake, you're gonna have a lot of raw flour on the outside, so you just need to dust that lightly. You see that? Literally, it's almost like there's nothing in it, and that's the next way how you can get your baking tin ready. Here we go. A nice, beautiful slice of rum cake. Gonna dig right in. moist. Cause this thing been soaking now. Look at that. The rum, strong. Get the recipe link in the description or the first pinned comment section to bake yourself and your family some fruit cake for the Christmas. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home, you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.